Numit nifuni helaba Manipurgi irangda Prime Minister Narendra Modi na tuminawa amatangang na laibada All India Congress Committee na akan mamawangda ninda tawkre. Ngasi Delhi da laiba All India Congress Committee ke office ta pangthokiba paugi mifam amada Congress ki leader oibata natana MP su oiriba Jairam Ramesh na fongdokhibane. Paumi singa unabatuda Imphal dagi chatkiba political party taragi mihut singsu sarukya ke. Mahak na makataraduna ngasidagi chahi kunganithoi ki mamangda Naga cease fire kamari lenena June 19 ki thaudokta Manipur ge assembly mai chake mioi 19 lekhide MLA minister awa anakya nangkhe matamadu ge prime minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee na Manipur miyamda santi oina leinaba appeal tawki adubo hojik lairiba prime minister asidi ngasi fawba wahai machet ama fawba haidana leiba ngambasi angakpapok e haike Amaromda hojik Manipur da leiriba N Birena luchingba BJP ke lengak asi chama da chama fail oire haike
वो सर्वदलीय प्रतिनिधि मंडल पहली बार 24 जून को मिला था 2001 को यहां वो मौजूद हैं और मैं उनसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो आपसे बातचीत करें वो करेंगे पर उसके पहले हमारे मणिपुर के जो 15 साल लगातार मुख्यमंत्री रहे हैं इबोबी सिंह जी कुछ बोलेंगे मैं आपको ये भी कहना चाहता हूं कि हमारे बीच में मणिपुर विधानसभा के 2 पूर्व स्पीकर भी यहां मौजूद हैं लोकेश्वर सिंह जी जो मौजूदा एमएलए हैं और हेमचंद्र सिंह जी जो 5 साल तक स्पीकर रह गए सभी पार्टियां यहां मौजूद हैं और ये अभी भी इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि वो प्रधानमंत्री से मिलेंगे उनको एक मेमोरेंडम पेश करेंगे और खुले तौर से वो बात करेंगे कि क्या क्या और कदम लेने की जरूरत है क्योंकि ये राज्य सरकार बिल्कुल विफल हो गया है ये बिल्कुल साफ हो गया है कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से कोई उम्मीदें नहीं हम रख सकते 100% फेल हो गया है
Ngasigi paugi mifam aduda Manipur dagi chatkiba political party taragi miyut singso paumi singi mamangda makhoigi oiba pendaba wafam kaya thamki
More than 20,000 including women and children are taking shelter in the relief camp. What is happening you people can imagine easily. But till today from Honorable Prime Minister of this country didn't express anything what is happening there in Manipur. Now what we feel that it is not nice to mention that whether Manipur is a part of India or not. The question automatically it has arisen. If it is belongs within India, at least Honorable Prime Minister of this entire country, he should have to be expressed, even a single tweet in his mobile. So we don't know. That's why all these grievances, these 10 like-minded political party representative, we have prepared one memorandum. We want peace. We are not coming here politicalize, not for politicalize. We are not coming here for taking political advantage. At least we want peace. Please help us. So enable Manipur to restore as early as possible.
Loss of lives is more than 120. It may be more because many bodies are still not taken off. And many people are missing. Injury more than about 400, maybe more. Displacement of more than 60,000 people. Okay. Many people are in the relief camps in Manipur. Many people are taking shelter in the neighboring states like Mizoram, Assam, and many people are in Delhi as well. Many people are there. And burning of about 5,000 houses, homes. Many people have been rendered homeless. And there is loss of personal and government property of both the communities.
We are very much hopeful our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji will give an appointment before visiting his foreign tour. He knows everything. Honorable Home Minister already apprised, and many intelligence working there in Imphal, Manipur, they have already reported to the Prime Ministers and the Home Ministers. The Honorable Home Minister knows everything. Still, we are very much hopeful. Honorable Prime Minister will give an appointment for us, all the 10 political party delegates here. We are here since 12th of this month, and the last 6 days we are here.